Here's a question. What would you do if you got into an accident and it was your word against the other drivers, or if someone hit your parked car and drove off? Without proof, you're basically out of luck. That's exactly why this 360-degree 4-channel car dash camera is something every driver needs. This isn't just protection, it's your personal witness on the road. So, what makes this system so incredible? We're talking full 360-degree coverage with 4 separate channels recording simultaneously in 1080p HD for the front and 720p for the sides and back. That means every angle around your vehicle is captured in crystal clear detail, so there's zero chance of missing anything important. The 4-screen display shows you all the camera feeds at once, giving you complete situational awareness of everything happening around your car. The high-definition night vision with WDR technology means even in low light or nighttime driving, the footage is clear and usable. Loop recording ensures you never run out of storage. It automatically overwrites old footage while keeping the important clips safe. Whether it's for insurance claims, catching hit and runs, or just having proof of what really happened, this system has your back. If you're ready to drive with confidence knowing you're fully protected from every angle, the link to get this complete 360-degree dash camera system is in the description and comments below. Don't wait until it's too late.